In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the board name in Trello and make sure it's easy to follow along every step of the way. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or someone just getting started, understanding how to modify your board names can enhance your organizational skills and keep your projects in tune with their ever-evolving nature. Let's begin by navigating to Trello.com. Open up your preferred internet browser and type that into the address bar. Once it loads up, you'll notice the familiar Trello homepage, and from there you'll need to take a moment to log into your account. Look for the prominent login button, usually located at the upper right corner of the page, and give it a click. After clicking that button, you'll be presented with login options. You can either enter your email and password or opt to log in using your Google account. If you choose Google, a new window will pop up to authenticate your credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your dashboard where you'll have access to all your boards. Now let's proceed to your boards. Hover over to the board section. It's usually evident and perhaps labeled across the top or side of your interface. This is where you'll find every board you have created or ones you are a member of. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate over to the Your Workspaces section. Depending on your setup, it may be very visible, or perhaps you might need to scroll a bit, but don't worry, it's not too hard to find. When you've located your workspaces, it's time to identify the board you intend to rename. Browse through and select the one you're targeting, click on it to open, and your focus will immediately shift to the board's main interface. Next, cite your board's current name. It's right there at the top, usually bold and clear. All you have to do is click directly on this title and you'll notice it becomes editable. This is your opportunity to introduce the new name you've decided on. Once you've typed it in, simply press enter and voila. Your board's name is updated. It's a smooth process, yet tremendously impactful for keeping your Trello setup organized and effective. Giving a name that really resonates with the board's purpose can streamline communication and ensure everyone on your team is on the same page. And there you have it, the straightforward but essential way to rename a board in Trello. Thanks for following along, and be sure to keep on enhancing how you organize and manage your Trello boards.